The livestock industry continues to be plagued by meat processing slowdowns due to COVID-19. When pork plants like Smithfield and Sioux Falls close due to worker illness, producers may not be able to find another place to market their hogs, and today production is on a tight schedule.
Easily we're scheduled a year out, so any disruption on that pig flow backs up the whole system.
Producers are trying to slow marketings, but may need to euthanize some animals. That adds losses on top of the $41 per pig they're already losing.
Which may not seem like much, $41. You take that times 2,400 and a 2,400 head wean to finish barn, that's $98,000 right there.
That hurts pork producers, but also the soybean farmers that supply feed for those operations.
It's the whole rural communities, because when we're not feeding livestock, we're not feeding pigs, there's less corn demand, there's less DDGS demand, less soybean demand.
This Heartland Consumer Report is sponsored by South Dakota soybean farmers in their soybean checkoff.